Easiest way to make an extra $2,000 per month? In a world where costs are rising faster than salaries, more people are seeking methods to make extra money without abandoning their jobs or overloading themselves. With the appropriate approach, you may easily make $2,000 each month. A lengthy business strategy, large investment, or quitting work are unnecessary. Modern technologies and the gig economy make multiple tiny revenue streams seem substantial. Freelancing is simple. Write, graphic design, code, manage social media, or communicate well to make money online. Create an Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer profile to bid on jobs. Not earning a big contract right away is key. Starting with $50 or $100 projects, freelancers build their reputation. Experience lets you charge more. Work 10 to 15 hours a week at a low hourly rate to make $1,000 to $2,000 per month. Freelancing lets you work nights, weekends, and whenever. Delivery or rideshare are additional good gig economy entry points. With Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart, getting compensated for your car and time is easier than ever. Only a driver's license, background check, and good car are needed. Most platforms allow evening and weekend work. After expenses, many drivers earn $15 to $25 per hour. Driving 15 hours a week earns $1,000 to $1,500 per month. Work 20 to 25 hours and make $2,000 without a boss or office. Online teaching and tutoring is another easy but lucrative home-based business. VIPKid, Preply, and Cambly allow homeschooling of overseas students. Online education is popular for English, math, physics, music, and coding. Weekly bookings and $15 to $30 per hour salaries are common for teachers. Many tutors make $1,000 or more per month teaching 10 to 12 hours per week. And night and weekend workers might make over $2,000. Passive income can supplement active income to attain $2,000. Offering a room, garage, or basement on Airbnb or VRBO is a simple way to make money. Depending on location, renting a room a few weekends a month could earn you hundreds. With less than 10 bookings each month, some hosts make $2,000. By cleaning, communicating, and maintaining your listing, you can make money semi-passively. Selling anything online is smart for creatives and digital products aficionados. Sell t-shirts, mugs, e-books, or printables on Etsy to start a small online business. Built products can be sold repeatedly, generating passive income. After months of building an audience or perfecting marketing, digital sales can help people attain a $2,000 target. One single source may not be enough for $2,000 monthly. 2 or 3 easy steps are faster and better. Deliver DoorDash on weekends for $600, freelance for $1,000, and rent a spare room for $400 2 weekends a month. Spreading work among low-stress options reduces stress and enhances earnings. Matching your income strategy to your talents, schedule, and resources is the easiest approach to create $2,000 per month. Start now, even if it pays little. Practice will teach you that effort, inventiveness, and flexibility may enhance monthly revenue without compromising peace of mind. How would you live with $2,000 extra every month? How would you live? Asking why you're not starting today is better. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.